Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Content Studio and Zoho Social. So this platform will help you decide which of these social media tools would be the best option for you to pick between these two platforms. So to get started with a quick overview, Content Studio is a social marketing and social media management platform offering a AI-powered writing, content discovery, scheduling, and analytics, ideal for marketers and content creators. On the other side, Zoho Social is a part of the Zoho suite and focused on helping businesses manage multiple social media channels, engage with their audience, and analyze performance with a tight integration across Zoho tools. Now, revealing the strength and the weakness of these two platforms to help you make an informed decision on which of these platforms would be the best option for you. So getting started with the Content Studio strength and the downside of this platform. So to get started with the strength of Content Studio has a built-in AI writing assistance and a planner. It also has a content discovery and a creation features, and also supports a client workflow and collaboration. So talking about the downside of this platform, it has the learning curve for beginners. The learning curve for beginners can be a little bit annoying. Then the social listening tools not as advanced as other platforms. Then the support can be inconsistent. So that's it. Now talking about the Zoho Social, revealing the strength and the downside of the platform. So talking about the strength, the Zoho Social seamlessly integrates with Zoho CRM and other Zoho app. It also has a real-time monitoring and the scheduling together with an intuitive interface and the strong analytics. So talking about the downside of this platform, which is Zoho Social, it lacks on AI content creation tools, not ideal for content-heavy or influencer workflow. And also, it has a fewer third-party platform integration. Now, here's my overall conclusion. So, if you want an AI-enhanced platform that supports deep content planning, discovery, and multi-client workflow, just go for Content Studio. And on the other side, if you want a small to mid business already in the Zoho ecosystem and need a reliable tools for posting and analytics, just go for Zoho Social. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms will be a better and a safer option for you. Thanks.